Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here, and it is another glorious day here in Benidorm. If I had to guess the temperature, I'll probably say 25, maybe even more. So come join me as we take a walk up through town down towards Alche Park. We are also trying to see if the temperature reader down there has finally been fixed yet. We hope so. So across from where I am, you do have the very nice apartmentos Avenida tourist apartments just above the Amazon return shop, and opposite Hotel Avenida. And of course from where we are in town, you got a nice view of the Madeira Centro. That's a nice hotel. I will highly recommend going up to the roof terrace, which is quite a way up, guys. Really good views from up there. Got a stag too. So just gonna take a nice walk up through town, okay? Dentists up there, Clinica Dental, Espanol, English, Dutch, Francis and Netherlands. Not bad. Don't forget, head over to Mike's channel. There is a brand new brilliant video coming out very soon, hopefully. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, guys. Polynesia. Decimas across the road where you can get the official Benidorm Football Club shirt for €60, Darren. Yeah, I still reckon that's a bit expensive for what it's worth, especially with a new season starting soon as well. And well, to be quite honest, I'm surprised they haven't put it up in price, with Benidorm now being champions of their league. So, of course, we've got Alche Park that way, and Gin and Tonic Street into Costa, sort of in that direction, and the beautiful living statue as well. You see a lot of them around Benidorm. Very talented. And of course, off up many of the other ways, you do have many nice sort of bars and restaurants, as well as tons of different shops. Jewelry shop here. Phone accessory shop as well. Something you don't see often. And well, it is literally very busy in town today. We are approaching the weekend as well, guys. And well, with the weekend comes the start of some big events here in Benidorm. The first one, of course, being the fabulous Mercado de Medieval down in Alche Park, which I am kind of hoping that has sort of started today. But no more luck, it will probably start tonight. And the other event is a event taking place up by where we actually live. And that is the big Eurovision party taking place in Park de la Aguera. Vianda's sandwich shop there, nice little place. So yeah, as I was saying, the other main event is the Eurovision Song Contest party happening in Park de la Aguera, which is free entry apparently, and the funny part is we're literally like a couple minutes walk away from the park, so every performance, every sort of thing that happens in there on Saturday night, we are probably going to hear. So yeah, gonna be a loud one. Ice cream shop just there, guys. And of course a pharmacy right in the middle of town. You don't see that often. You see the Benidorm as well, which we still need to go in, guys. And as we near sort of Alche Park, you do see that the main fish restaurant in Benidorm is shut. Now I'm not sure if my camera is picking anything up yet, but it does seem like the sort of decorations, preparations for the Mercado de Medieval have begun. So I take it is just a case of seeing what's down there, seeing if anything's open. And with the craziness of town, you do have cars coming up through town and down through town as well, which adds to the chaos. Which of course made even more chaotic because the road down towards Poniente seafront is going to be completely closed off for the Mercado de Medieval. So a lot of cars, vans and lorries are probably going to get stuck down here because there's not really much of a diversion in place. As you can see there, guys, there is absolutely nowhere for them to go. Gonna end this one here, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, so hope you enjoyed my little walk through town. I'm now going to show you the very beautiful Mercado de Medieval. Some of it might actually be ready, some of it might not be ready. So yeah, hit the like, hit subscribe and stay tuned for another brilliant video coming up soon.